Mountains and mountains of snow. And here we are again. Feb 13th. More snow. I've had enough. I've had enough. Piles and piles. And I'm not going to complain too much after seeing that Cape Breton video where the snow was up to people's waist. And this guy or girl in the car, wow, this looks impacted. Alright, that's gonna be fun getting these folks out. Oh shit, look at right in there, there's a car tucked in there too. Oh wow. Of all nights I come out to run some errands and grab some paint from Rona. All right, let's go.